This is an Argentine Chocotorta made with Airfryer-toasted Chocolinas. Makes 8 to 10 servings. Total prep time including chilling is 4 hours and 15 minutes. Ingredients list. 11 ounces of Chocolinas chocolate tea biscuits. 14 ounces of Dulce de Leche. 18 ounces of cream cheese. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes and make sure the basket is clean. Place about 11 ounces of Chocolinas in a single layer in the air fryer basket without overlapping. Air fry the cookies at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes until they are lightly crisp but not browned. Remove the cookies and let them cool on a rack for 5 minutes so they crisp further. In a medium bowl, combine 14 ounces of Dulce de Leche and 18 ounces of cream cheese. Beat the mixture until smooth for 2 minutes using a spoon or a small whisk, scraping the sides so there are no lumps. Spread about 1 tablespoon of the filling on one cookie to start the first layer, then press another cookie on top to make a sandwich. Continue layering the cookie sandwiches in a rectangular serving dish in 3 to 4 rows and build them 3 layers high until you use the filling and the cookies. Spread any remaining filling evenly over the top layer with an offset spatula. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight so the cookies soften and the cake sets. Remove the Chocotorta from the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes before slicing to make clean cuts. Slice the Chocotorta, plate individual servings and enjoy. Now we'll finish, serve and share. Thank you, and please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Here is the finished Argentine Chocotorta with air-fryer-toasted Chocolinas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more recipes.